In today's lesson, we're gonna discuss the rules for addition or subtraction and multiplication or division. So you're gonna first of all talk about addition or subtraction rules. Rule number 1. If the signs of two numbers are the same, you add the numbers and keep the sign. For example, minus 2x minus 2x equals minus 4x. So you just add the numbers and keep the sign. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So that's how we got it, minus 4x. Another example, minus 5x minus 2x equals minus 7x. So you just add the numbers and keep the sign, which is negative. Another one, minus 3 minus 8 equals minus 11. Because 3 plus 8 is 11. Rule number 2. If the signs of two numbers are not the same, you take the smaller number from the larger number and keep the sign of the larger number. For example, minus 13 plus 11 equals minus 2. So you take the smaller number, which is 11, from the larger number, which is 13, and keep the sign of the larger number, which is negative. Another example, 4x minus 8x equals minus 4x. So the large number here is 8x, and while the smaller number is 4x. So you take the smaller number, which is 4x, from the 8x, which is 8 minus 4 equals 4. So you keep the sign of the larger number, which is minus, negative sign. So that's how we got the negative 4. Another example, negative 2x plus 8x equals 6x. So what you just do is just say 8 minus 2 gives us 6. So the larger number has a positive sign. Now we got the answer. So we're gonna now look at rules for multiplication or division. Rule number 1. If the signs of two numbers are the same, the result is positive. Example, two multiplied by 10. Because both of them are positive, the answer is going to be a positive. So positive 20. Another example, negative 1 multiplied by negative 9. Because both of them, they have the same sign, so it's going to be positive as well. So 1 times 9 is 9. Another example, negative 10 divided by negative 5. So the answer is going to be a positive. So the answer is what? Positive 2. Rule number 2. If the signs of two numbers are not the same, the result is negative. For example, one multiplied by negative 8 is equal to negative 8. Another example, negative 2 multiplied by 5, that's positive 5. The answer will be what? Negative 10, because 2 times 5 is 10. Another example, negative 10 divided by positive 5 equals negative 2. So have this at the back of your mind. Wherever you see negative together, it means positive. And whenever you see negative positive, it means negative. We're going to do some questions now, just to apply what we've learned so far. Question number 1 multiplied by negative 8 plus negative 2.
So 1 multiplied by negative 8 is negative 8. Plus minus means minus. And you bring down these two. So negative 8.
Just add the number and keep the sign. That's rule number 1 for addition or subtraction. So let's do another one. Question number 2. We're given negative 10 minus negative 3. So what you're gonna do is to bring down negative 10. Negative is what? Positive. Then you bring down 3. So negative 10 plus 3. So we apply the second rule of addition or subtraction. So we're gonna take the smaller number from the larger number. So 10 minus 3 is what? Is 7. So we're gonna keep the sign of the larger number. So it's gonna be negative 7. Question number 3. When you're given 1 multiplied by negative 2 minus 3 minus negative 1. So positive 1 multiplied by negative 2 is negative 2. Then you bring down this negative 3. Then negative turns to plus. You bring down 1. So negative 2, negative 3. You add the two numbers and keep the sign, which is negative 5. Then you bring down this positive 1. So now we're going to apply the second rule of addition or subtraction. So negative 5 plus 1 is going to be what? You take the smaller number from the larger number and keep the sign of the larger number. So 5 minus 1 is what? 4. So we're going to put negative 4 because the larger number has a negative. Then let's do another one. It should be the last one. If you're given 1 multiplied by negative 5 minus negative 4 minus 2. So what you're gonna do, just say 1 multiplied by negative 5 is negative 5. Then negative, whenever you don't have any number in front of a bracket, just assume 1. So negative 1 multiplied by negative 4 is positive, because when you have two numbers that are the same in multiplication or division rule, you know that it's going to be a positive. So we have positive. Well, then you bring down the negative 2 minus 2. Negative 5 plus 4 is what? So you do the second rule of addition or subtraction. Take the smaller number from the larger number. 5 minus 4 is 1. So you're going to be and keep the sign of the larger number. So negative 1. Negative 1. So you bring down the negative 2. Negative 2 should be equal to negative 1, negative 2. That's minus 1 minus 2. So you add up and keep the sign. that should be negative 3. Hope you find this helpful. So if you have any question, remember to put it down in the comment section and I'll attend to it as soon as possible. So remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Brilliance Tutoring, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to get a notification.